Hi guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. I'm very excited to share today's project with you. I got this beautiful weeping spruce tree. Look at this nice blue color. And I don't have, unfortunately, good space to put it in the ground. It's actually cascading and it's ideally would be nicely planted on the slope. But all my slopes are heavily occupied by other plants. So I've decided to put it in a pot. And I got this pot. It's actually very light. It's made in Brazil, 10-year warranty. So I'm really willing to try that. But first and foremost, we're gonna make a hole in the pot because it came without any holes. So we're gonna use drill and quickly, hopefully, drill a couple of holes. Oh, Marcus! Oops! Beautiful! So we have those nice, perfect 2 holes. I'm thinking 2 may be enough. So next, I don't have another mesh type, so just this one. So I'm gonna put it on the bottom so it will prevent soil from coming through. And since this is going to be year-round pot for this plant, I've decided to use some styrofoam material as an insulation to make sure the roots are protected during winter months. And I just got the styrofoam panels as an isolation material at Home Depot. And actually, surprisingly, they fit perfect into the pot. So I'm just gonna cut some corners. We have all 4 panels for 4 walls of the pot ready, and we're just gonna put it in. Now we have all 4 panels in, and I'm gonna put a few plastic bottles on the bottom so the pot won't be that heavy. We have a stump here, so we decided to put the pot with the spruce on the stump. And I'm gonna just fill with potting mix. I have few different options to fill it in. And of course, Marcus is here to check on us and how we do everything, whether we do everything properly. To make my life a little easier, I decided to just cut the pot. So look at this beautiful root ball and root system. Hope it's still fine. So I'm just gonna try, to be as gentle as possible to free up some roots, so they can grow outside the container space and put it in its new container. And now, moment of truth. Let's see if we can move it. Whew. Oh, I think it's pretty good. Because I want to have some space and then add more soil. And we're almost done here. We're just gonna water it and put layer of mulch on top of the soil. Well done here, and it's looking gorgeous. I really like it. I hope it's gonna thrive in this spot. And I hope you guys share my excitement and enthusiasm about this beautiful weeping spruce tree. And if not, I'd like to hear from you. Please leave something in a comment for me. And happy gardening!